Greetings. My name is Paul Tiffany, and I'm a professor at the Haas School of Business at the University of California. And I'll be offering the seminarium program on business planning for the 21st century organization that we're holding in June in Mexico City. The seminar is going to be very hands-on, and it's going to allow participants to get intimately involved in developing a business model and a business plan for either an existing organization, or if you have that entrepreneurial spirit, for some idea that you've been thinking about to start a new business. I'm going to make this, as I just indicated, very hands-on. This is not going to be me up in front of the classroom talking for a day and a half. I am going to provide some guidance, but the hope is that we'll have a number of exercises. We're going to have some templates and some guidelines and walk through the fundamental and key steps that are necessary to create a successful business plan. I'm going to use what's called a business model canvas. That is a big template that will allow you to begin to think about your basic value proposition or competitive advantage, and then to think about the customer whom you're going to serve, the competitors you'll face, the partners you'll work with, and to look at both the revenue and the cost side. One of the unfortunate aspects of a lot of business planning is that the overwhelming majority fail. And the reasons obviously are complex. But a major reason that research has shown over and over again is that the planner doesn't really understand the customer to whom he or she is trying to serve, or what the customer really wants. So we're going to try to focus on those elements of business planning that actually work. As I said, it is not going to be a traditional executive training program in which I just stand up and talk. I'm going to make this very active, very interactive. And my hope is that participants will bring with them some basic ideas or concepts that they have for starting a new business. We're going to go for a day and a half. It'll be intensive. I'm going to promote a lot of discussion amongst one another. And the plan that I have is at the end of this seminar, you will have a good foundation to either go back to your office, back to your home, back to your place of work, and start filling in the details to make this work. The program is designed for individuals at existing firms who have some ideas, some new business ideas that they want to bring to the market, or for somebody who simply has a concept for a new entrepreneurial venture. It will appeal, I believe, to all of you out there. I look forward to seeing you, and in the program, I look forward to working with you to bring your program and your ideas to a successful conclusion. See you soon. Thank you very much.